Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals error code 211. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with Marvel Rivals here, there is something that you do here to probably solve this issue. Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your game is or has the correct files on it. So you want to open up where you've got this installed. So you want to go ahead and open up Steam here if you have this in Steam. You want to go to Library and you want to look for Marvel Rivals at the left panel here. And in here, you want to right click on it and you want to go and click on Manage. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on the option here. So by the way, just click on Properties here to make it a lot easier. So you want to go ahead and go to Install Files. And from here, just click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now, sometimes, like for example, if there are any mismatches on the files you currently have right now with the game servers, it might cause some problem. So in this case, verifying the game files here actually helps you match the files you currently have right now on your game or in your desktop here into the version that the server currently has. But yeah, so just wait for the verification to complete. Go ahead and start playing it and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you could do here is you might want to check your internet connection. Sometimes if you have problems with your internet connection, that might be the cause. So if you have a slow upload and download speed for internet connection, you might want to check that with your provider. But you could also change your DNS just in case. So you want to go to search here, just type in control panel, open it up, and we want to go ahead and open up network and internet. Click on network and sharing center. Click on your internet connection. Click on Properties, and you want to go to IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. Click on the Properties button here, and you want to go to the option here that says use the following DNS server addresses. Now, we want to enter the following. It's going to be the preferred DNS is going to be 8.8.8.8. Alternate is going to be 8.8.4.4. Just go and click on OK. So by the way, we are using the Google DNS here. Click on close, and from then on, start playing the game and see if that solves the issue. And the final thing that you could do here to probably solve this issue is you want to make sure that your GPU is up to date. So you want to open up the software for your GPU. So in my case, I'm using NVIDIA. You want to go to drivers. And in here, if you do see any update button in here, go ahead and click on update, install or download. And wait for the installation to complete. And once you've done that, restart your PC and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan. Thank you for watching.